Oh, got a nice little clip of the outrunner doing this thing there before you decided to throw it at me. Do you know what? I actually can't get over the fact that you just put socks on with sandy toes. Now this, guys, is our little demon of an SCX24 with the brand new Furatech Micro outrunner. Let's just get this zoomed all the way in so it doesn't look like a million miles away. I'm expecting big things from this car, ironically.
That's looking pretty sweet, that.
It is a bit, isn't it? Not a care in the world.
Oh, I put both wheels either side of that. Definitely driver error there, guys. I'll hold my hand up for driver error.
It normally is driver error with you. It looks so small.
It's flat out.
Flat out. It's so small. Insert that's what she said joke. Oh, that is a demon. That's a bit good, that.
That is quite nice. That's all kinds of steep.
For the scale of the car, that is pretty aggressive, isn't it?
Mate, you made this into a bit of a tank. Oh, put that front down, keep the front down, there you go, look at that. Oh, see, look, it just stands up to get over it. But nah, fam, there we go.
It looks good doing what it's doing as well, doesn't it?
Yeah, it's so good. But it's really enjoyable to drive because there's so much feedback. The little tweaks.
Yeah.
With the way the shock setup, it's lovely. That is a sheer rock face. Do you reckon we can take it across?
Oh, we've got a battery on the camera, so hurry up and do it.
That was beautiful.
Is it a good car to drive?
Mate, that was amazing. I absolutely adore that.
So, in the intermission of changing the battery, have you decided that this thing is super awesome happy fun time?
It is super awesome happy fun time, and I think Billy needs to pat himself on the back. He's done a really good job on lots of close-ups of this little bad boy.
Well, it's got to be. You've got to zoom it right in because it's so small. Well, that unfortunately does mean that the rocks that are hard to get on camera look even harder to get on camera.
Bad angle there, guys.
You look like you're struggling, yeah?
They're going to cheer it there. It did. Bad angle, see? Look at that. Bad angle.
Yeah,
bad
12th
right
attempt now. Going. Oh,
that is where we need to up that speed.
it looks so smooth.
It is super nice.
So is it making you excited for your 6x6 build?
Yeah, 100%. I'm looking forward to a mini. But even if it does half of what this thing is capable of at the minute.
That was a nice little line. Oh, got a nice little clip of the outrunner doing this thing there before you decided to throw it at me.
Particle effect. Yeah, I think we're going to hold it.
Yeah, if I just zoom out of that, we just all see you sat on the edge of a cliff about to drop into some salt water.
Listen, cut the recording. Cut that.
Now I reckon this is going to be some super sideways flex. Oh, there we go.
Leaving the little sea snail underneath. Okay, go. Yeah?
So what do you reckon to the shock setup? Because that was the bit that I wasn't really sure how it was going to turn out.
Yeah, I'm happy with the shock setup on this. We lost drive to one of the front wheels.
Hello, Joe.
You've broken it now.
It's come undone, so that's the simple. You put it together and one of the wheels had come undone. However, amazing.
We liking it, are we?
Amazing. I'm really impressed with it. Super impressed with it. Super happy, fun time.
So you're 6x6.